here's how to optimize Janitor AI generation settings for better results. The first thing, of course, is to check if your chat is limitless and make sure that proxy is allowed. Once you're sure of that, you can start your chat. Now for the optimization of the settings, on the top right of your chat, click the three lines and go to API settings. And from here, drop the generation settings and advanced. This is where we will optimize our chat. The first one is temperature. It controls the creativity and randomness of your chat. The optimal setting is 0.7 to 0.9. The next one is top K. It limits the word choices the model considers each step. The optimal setting here is 40 to 80. The next one is top P, or nucleus sampling. This setting controls the variety of responses. The sweet spot here is 0.85 to 0.95. Next one is repetition penalty. This setting controls the model from echoing phrases. The sweet spot here is 1.1. The next setting is frequency penalty. It controls the frequency of words that was already used. The sweet spot here is 0.4. Once you're done, just save the settings by clicking the Save button on the bottom right here. And now you should get better results on your chats. Happy chatting!